What's up guys, it's Barry from Yanmar Academy. On today's quick tips, we're going to show you how to replace your spark plug on your Bull and Longhorn Series UTV. The spark plug is an important engine component and is easy to inspect. The condition of the spark plug can indicate the condition of the engine. The ideal color for the porcelain insulator around the center electrode is a medium to light tan for a vehicle that is being ridden normally. Tools you're going to need for this are a ratchet, a 5/8 inch spark plug socket, 5-inch extension, a new spark plug, a spark plug gapper tool, gloves, and a torque wrench. Warning, before attempting to replace your spark plug, make sure that the engine is cool to the touch. All right, to gain access to the spark plug, what you want to do is first raise your bed. Here's where your spark plug is. First thing you want to do is pull that spark plug wire boot off to gain access to my spark plug. All right guys, to make it easier to see exactly what I'm doing, we're going to do this on a training engine that we have already pulled out of a machine. It's the same way on the machine, but this way here will let you be able to see a lot better. All right guys, so you want to grab your 5/8 spark plug socket, set it down on there, and then just pull it out. And there we have it. Now that the spark plug is out, grab your new spark plug and the spark plug gapper tool. Set the gap on the new spark plug to 0.031 to 0.035 inches. So the way we do that, slide your plug onto the gapper, turn it around until you get to the 0.035, which is right here, and you're good. Now that we got our gap set, we can go ahead and reinstall our spark plug. You want to just go ahead and put it in finger tight. And then what we want to do is we want to grab our torque wrench. Our extension, and torque it down to 9.4 foot-pounds. All right, so now back on the machine, we'll take our spark plug wire and we will put it back onto our spark plug for the final step. There you have it guys, quick, simple, easy steps, but something that's very important to keep your engine running at peak performance. Until next time, I'll see you at the Yanmar Academy.